Let's do it.
Hey guys, today we're gonna make a fun recipe by Miss Joanna Gaines from her cookbook Magnolia. We're gonna make her lemon bundt cake just in time for Easter. So we're really excited because we feel like lemon represents Easter, the color and the freshness. We're so excited.
And I love Joanna Gaines and I love lemon, so I'm super excited.
So there are just two parts to this recipe. First, we gotta mix our cake, throw it in the oven, and then we make a really yummy lemony glaze that we're just gonna put all over it. So it sounds pretty easy, right, Gina?
And it has a lot of, I would consider basic ingredients, but there's a lot of it.
So we're gonna start off with flour. We have some baking soda, baking powder, a little salt.
Wait.
A little kosher salt.
It is just baking soda. Is there baking powder? I do not think so.
Oh no!
Let us take a moment to remember that Gina did something right. Wait, am I right?
Yes, but when it said baking soda and then it had a ½ teaspoon of sea salt, I read that as baking powder.
I think it's fine. It was just ½ a teaspoon, so we shall see.
And you need 2 lemon zests, so that's just gonna be very lemony. And I know Gina loves lemon, so she is in heaven. We have made a cake from her before. We did was it a chocolate cake? And she had us use like the bundt pan. So what makes a bundt cake different from a regular cake?
The shape.
You think so? So we're going to go ahead and we're going to mix this all up together.
See, now it all disappeared. Now I don't feel like I have enough in here. We should zest more.
We're going to beat 2 sticks of butter. Yeah, 2 sticks of butter. And 2 cups of sugar, which is where Gina and I were very concerned.
I don't know. Maybe I got a little healthier over the past weekend or something. Oh, look at all this sugar. It's so heavy. So much. So after this is done and looks nice and fluffy, we need to actually add the eggs one at a time. Now we can alternate buttermilk and the flour. And it says to alternate it so that you end with the flour.
$350 for about 50 to 55 minutes. And then we're going to put our glaze on. Ta-da!
Final step is the icing.
Yeah, so some powdered sugar and a little lemon juice. She said about 1 or 2 tablespoons. I'm going to start off with 1.
I'm gonna do 2.
I'm not even measuring, let's be honest. I just
Either. I just gotta squeeze some. Are we supposed to do it over low? I'm guessing.
Oh, were you supposed to put it on the stove? No, it's icing. You just put lemon juice with powdered sugar.
So close. I started off so good in this video.
I'm gonna pour it all around, and I wanna make sure that the glaze goes into the middle, outside for that really beautiful effect.
All right, ready to eat. Mine is extra tart, extra zesty. because I did put like double the lemon juice in the icing. I wish the cake itself had a little bit more lemon flavor to it, so I think I would use more zest, but it's probably meant to be more of a classier cake.
Sounds crazy, but those 2 cups of sugar did not overly sweet this. Baking powder by accident, I couldn't even tell.
Okay, that's a wrap. 2 thumbs up. Could have been a little better, maybe add some more lemons, but still a big fan of Joanne Gaines. So thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned and wait to see what we make next week. Bye. So don't worry about the chickpea part because there's extra sugar and extra chocolate chips.
They're just gonna be so good, right?
Chunky.